फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास के हिस्ट्री का 3rd चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं। उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे हम। पहले वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, फिर उसके बाद लॉन्ग। ठीक है। व्हेन डिड द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी गेट दीवानी राइट्स ऑफ बंगाल एंड हु ग्रांटेड इट दिस राइट? इन 1765 बाय मुगल एम्परर। व्हेन एंड बाय whom permanent settlement of land was introduced in Bengal in 1793 by Lord Cornwallis? Where was Mahalwari system introduced in northern western province of Bengal? What was Rayatwari system or Munro system? A system of land settlement in which field of cultivators were surveyed separately and revenue assessment was made by officials. Why did the East India Company encourage the cultivation of indigo in India? Because of its great demand and very high price in Europe. Which crops were encouraged by the British? Cultivation of opium, indigo, jute, tea, sugarcane, wheat, cotton and rice. Who helped indigo planters of Champaran in 1917 AD? Mahatma Gandhi. What was the meaning of Rayat? The meaning of Rayat was peasant. Which discovery affected the international demand for indigo? Discovery of synthetic dyes. Who were recognized as owner of their land in permanent settlement? Zamindar were recognized as owner of their land in permanent settlement. How many people died in a terrible famine of 1770 in Bengal? Around 10 million people. Who introduced Mahalwari system and when? An Englishman called Holt Mackenzie in 1822. Who introduced Rayatwari system and where? Captain Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro in South India. When thousands of Rayat in Bengal refused to grow indigo in March 1859. When was the East India Company appointed as Diwan of Bengal? On 12th August 1765, the East India Company was appointed as Diwan of Bengal. Match the following. देखिए, रेत के साथ क्या आएगा? पीजेंट, महाल, विलेज, निज, कल्टीवेशन on planters on land, रेती, cultivations on raised land. Fill in the blanks देखिए. First one, growers of wood in Europe saw dash as a crop which would provide competition to their earning. इसमें क्या आएगा? Indigo. The demand for indigo increased in late 18th century Britain because of industrialization. ठीक है. The international demands for indigo was affected by the discovery of synthetic dye. The Champaran movement was against the indigo planters. Describe the main features of permanent settlement. Following were the main features of permanent settlement. First one, according to the settlement, the Rajas and Talabdar were recognized as Zamindars and were declared as the owners of their land. Zamindars were asked to collect rent from the peasants and pay fixed revenue to the company. Third one, amount to be paid to the company as revenue was fixed permanently, meant it was not to be increased ever in future. Fourth one, it was felt that this system would ensure a regular flow of revenue for the company and zamindars will invest money in growing the land. Next one है, how was Mahalwari system different from the permanent settlement? Permanent settlement, it is the name of the system of revenue collections in the province of Bengal and Bihar introduced by Lord Cornwallis in 1793. The entire work of revenue collection was assigned to zamindar, who were given hereditary rights over the lands on the condition that they would pay a fixed amount of revenue to the government every year. Zamindar were free to collect revenue from peasant as much as they wanted. Next क्या है? Mahalwari system. Under this system, collectors went from village to village, inspecting the lands, measuring the fields, and recording the customs and rights of different groups. The estimated revenue of each plot within a village was added up to calculate the revenue that each village had to pay. This demand was to be revised periodically and not permanent fixed. Village headman was given the charge to collect and to pay revenue to the company. Zamindar had no role to play in it. Give two problems which arose with the new Munro system of fixing revenue. First one, revenue official fixed very high revenue demands because they wanted to increase companies' income from land. Second one, peasants were unable to pay high taxes. That's why they fled the countryside and villages became deserted in many regions. Officials thought that new system would bring prosperity to peasants, but this did not happen. नेक्स्ट देखिए, नेक्स्ट है वाई वर रेत रिलक्टेंट टू ग्रो इंडिगो, ये ऐसे पूछ सकते कि वाई द पीजेंट्स वर अफ्रेड ऑफ ग्रोइंग इंडिगो. Reyes were reluctant to grow because planting indigo had certain problems which are given below. First one, Reyes were given loans to grow indigo and were forced to sign an agreement. Once they started to take loans, they were unable to repay loans because they had to take loans again and again. Second one, peasants who were initially tempted by the loans soon came to know that this system was very harsh. The price which they got for the indigo they produced was very low and the cycle of loans never ended. Third one, the planters generally insisted that indigo be cultivated on the best soil in which they preferred to cultivate rice. Indigo had deep root as well as which exhausted the soils. After indigo harvest, the land could not be sown with rice. Because of these problems, Reyes were reluctant to grow indigo. What were the circumstances which led to the eventual collapse of indigo production in Bengal? ये ऐसे पूछा जा सकता है, in which circumstances the production of indigo failed in Bengal. देखिए, following were the circumstances which led to the collapse of indigo production in Bengal. First one, farmers were given loans to grow indigo and were forced to sign an agreement. Once the cycle of loans started, never comes to an end. Finally, planters refused to grow indigo, which led to collapse of indigo productions. Second one, indigo had deep rooted and exhausted the soil rapidly. After an indigo harvest, the land could not be sown with rice. That's why they refused to grow indigo. Third one, the price given to planters of indigo was very low, because of which they were not interested in growing indigo. Fourth one, in March 1859, thousands of Reyes in Bengal refused to grow indigo. Reyes refused to pay rents, attacked indigo factories, agents of planters were beaten up. That's why indigo production in Bengal was reduced. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.